you're supposed to be the goddamn professional. For fuck's sake. I just was gonna go grocery shopping.
God damn.
You won't even look me in my eyes. You won't even look me in my eyes. Why the fuck you doing this, man?
I'll talk to the fucking media. That was a fucking order. Who the fuck is training you motherfuckers? Seriously! You're supposed to be the fucking professionals!
Those fucking shoes.
What does no means no? No means no.
Is it this tiny? It's this tiny, isn't it? It's this